Okay, so question for today is, would I ever quit Shambhavi for something better? So it's been more than 6 months since I did Shambhavi. Yeah, I did it in September last year. And ever since I did it, there has not been a day where I haven't practiced my Kriya. Like, even if I had a really rough day before that or anything at all. It's, when in the beginning Sadhguru says that, okay, you have to do 40-day mandala of, morning, evening, and then for the next 6 months, you do once a day. So I think within those 40 days only, your body gets so used to the Kriya that after that, it's just like it's the beginning of your day. If not the beginning, then you wouldn't want to end it, without doing your practices. And considering there is a lot more that you can learn from the ashram, which is, what is that? Which is Shunya meditation, which I have to do. Probably I'll do it in July, in next 2 months. So yeah, I think even if I learn Shunya, there is no way that I would stop doing Shambhavi, because it's just such a special process. It's a great beginning to your day, and considering there are a lot of things that you learn in your Kriya, it's like 4 or 5 things that you do which makes up the whole Kriya. So yeah, I don't think so. I mean, I cannot talk about it much because, we cannot discuss what happens, but what I can discuss is that it is really powerful, and how there are 4 or 5 things involved in it. So it systematically energizes your entire system. And your body also gets used to it, so it knows that after these 41 minutes I am going to get freshen up, and it really happens. So yeah, the conclusion to this video is that even if I learn various other practices, even if it's from Shambhavi, even if it's from Isha or from other place which I might find interesting in the future, I don't think I would quit Shambhavi still. If I do, I will make a video on it and then we can talk about it. But as far as I know, as of right now, no. I am going to do Shunya as well, or other processes as well, but Shambhavi is not going anywhere from my life. I hope this was sort of information for you if you clicked on the video, and thanks a lot for watching. And if there's anything that I can help you with, then do comment below. And namaskaram. Thank you.